Hello everyone. In this video I would like to introduce about Market Watch. By default, Market Watch is presented at home screen on the left side. What is Market Watch? Market Watch Windows panel provides an overview of price data of financial instruments included quotes, price statistics, tick chart and also the details of contract specifications. How to find Market Watch in the system. Market Watch can be added from several ways. You can click on System menu to find Market Watch. Another way, you can click on the Add button on the top bar. Then you can see it in the Screen Components. Else, you can click on the Market Watch icon from the toolbar to open it. Now, let's take a look detail on Market Watch from System menu. In the Market Watch, there are many useful columns which have been listed down. So, now let's go through the instructions one by one. Let's start with Symbol Filter. User can filter their favorite symbol from the list down selection such as trading types, symbol securities, symbol types. Next, let's get to know about all the following columns. Symbol, it shows all the available financial instruments. Bid, it is the price at which a trader can sell a financial instrument. Ask, it is the price at which a trader can buy a financial instrument. Spread, it is the difference between the bid and ask prices. Change % one day, indicates the difference between the last price of the instrument and the close price of the last session in percentage terms. Change one day, it indicates the difference between the last price of the instrument and the close price of the last session in terms of a specific price change. Highest, it shows the highest last price of the recent session. Lowest, it shows the lowest last price of the recent session. Open, it shows the open price of the recent session. Reference, it shows the closing price of the previous day. So, it can be used as a reference for the current price to determine whether the symbol is currently going up or down. Bearish or bullish, it is the comparison price between the current price with the opening price of the day. If the current price is higher than the opening price, it will show bullish. Otherwise, it will show bearish. Time, it is the time of the last quote. Swap long, it is the financing cost for position holding overnight for buy positions. Swap short, it is the financing cost for position holding overnight for sell positions. Description, it shows the financial instrument names in detail. In addition, you can click on the column label to sort each column from the highest to the lowest price and especially character from A to Z or from Z to A. Moreover, user can add more needed columns with the icon at the top right corner which is called Edit Collection. In here, there are many more useful columns in case you need more information with the Market Watch. Now, let's try to add some of these columns. There are many features and buttons displayed here. Let's go through them one by one. Customization is a preset collection. You can't change its name but you can add or delete more fields. When you press the Add button, you can create a collection with your own name. You can then set whether it can be edited. And of course you can also change the name of the collection or delete it by clicking on the following button. You can search the specific column in the search box. On the other hand, you can select your own custom field in the list down category. After select on your wanted column, you can add it to display by clicking on button Select. Or remove it back by click on the unwanted column and click on button Remove. You can also remove all by click on button Remove All. In order to arrange columns to fit your favorite order, you can click on the up and down arrow to arrange it. Remember, the top column is the first column to display first in the Market Watch field and the bottom one is the last column to be displayed. If you cannot find the column, you can just search it in the search box above. However, if you confuse about the field, you can click on the Default button to reset the field to default setup, then click OK. There is another ways to modify the columns. User can use right-click on the field to see more functions. Now, let's see what these functions do. Chart. This will open a new chart screen with the specific selected symbol. Example, when select on Euro Australian dollar then right-click, the function will be shown. So, click on Open another chart, then Screen Chart will pop up. Daily. This will open a new daily fixed timeframe chart screen with the specific selected symbol. Details. This will open the detail screen of the specific symbol and show many information related with the symbol, such as the symbol graph, bid and ask price, open price, etc. You can also customize the information by clicking on the setting icon on the left of the graph. Moreover, you can see the tick per second of the symbol is being shown repeatedly. Multiple chart. With this, user can split multiple standard chart screens to display at the same time. Moreover, we can modify split screen up to 3 by 3 chart screens. Multiple daily. The same as previous split screen display, but this time, you can see multiple daily chart screens instead of standard chart. Specification is a specific trading contract of each financial trading symbol provided by the broker. Let's take a look at each block. Each symbol specification has 7 blocks. Basic is the general information of each symbol contract. It contains sector, digit, contract size, stop level, margin currency, profit currency, calculation, and chart mode. Margin rate is the initial and maintained product leverage provided by the broker. It shows the different margin requirement between each execution types. There are market order, limit order, stop order, and stop limit order. Trading rules is a rule trading of each financial instrument product. It shows the rule of market execution trade included trade permission, execution, GTC mode, expiration, minimum, maximum volume, step, swap type, swap long and swap short fee. Swap rate is a swap fee formula calculated on each day. Commissions is a fee type and trading fee per volume. Quote is a quotes providing time. Trade is an available trading time. Edit collection, this is the column modification which we already introduced previously. Windows setting, it is related to display setting. User can adjust the font title, font size, the regular font size, and to show or hide the title. Refresh, user can use refresh to clarify the specific selected column if there is any new updated information. My list is a list where users can collect their favorite trading symbols. You can right-click on any symbols, then click on Add to my list. When first selected, more options will show up. It's asking you which list name you want to add. So, you need to select your preferable one. Remember, after selected, the tick sign on that list will appear, which indicate the symbol is added, and the message will show up. However, if the list is selected again, the symbol will be removed out from the list. In order to understand more detail about My List, I would like to introduce about My List Editor first. What is My List Editor? It is a setting to edit my list. It contains all the list names. Now let's get introduced to each field. List name field shows all your symbol lists. You can add more list names by clicking on plus button or remove it back by clicking on minus button, then confirm OK. After selected on each list name, you can add any wanted symbols from the market watch into your list. The symbol field on the right-hand side is the market watch list. You can add symbols from here. To add symbols, you can select the symbol, then click on button Add, or click on Delete to remove out. A search box in the middle allows you to find symbols from your list. However, the search box on the right side allows you to find symbols from the market watch. You can arrange the order column of the symbols by using the arrow button as introduced previously. In conclusion, you can add symbols into your list from both ways. You can either add them from My List Editor or from the Market Watch directly, but you have to select your exact list name. Moreover, if you want to export the list from the system, you can click on button Export, then browse to the destination, then the system will save it as CSV automatically. On the other hand, if you want to import back, you may click Import and click Browse to the saved file. Where will your list display? Your list will appear in the Market Watch at home screen once you select on tab My List. The above tab will show all your listed symbol in each tab. However, the first tab is the Position tab, which let you see all your current holding position. If you cannot find your list name on the tab, you can click on the Menu tab on the left side of your List tab to find it. Additionally, instead of a basic column, EzQT has developed a chart mode display. What is chart mode? Chart mode is a more convenient version column display which provides more detailed information of the symbol. How to switch to chart mode? While standing on My List function, you can find it by clicking on the setting icon at the top right corner. You will see the quote mode, then you can switch it from column to chart mode. In addition, EzQT also provides economic calendar for user to follow economic news all around the world. The calendar takes reference from website investing.com. It shows us the economic news date and time, country, impact news level, news event, actual news result, forecast result, and previous news result. It also provides many filters option for users to choose. You may click on Filters button on the top left corner to follow only your favorite economic countries, custom time display, news category, and news impact level. You can filter only the specific time or date range from the option on the top right corner. After you are satisfied with the filter, you can click on button Apply to filter. Moreover, if you want to adjust the timeline of the news align with your local time, you can select your local time from the time filter on the top right corner. Thank you for your patience and hope you will understand better.